32 inches Full HD, 1920 by 1080, widescreen IPS display. Response time: 4 milliseconds. Pixel pitch: 0. 3675 mm. Power: 52W, power on. Ports: 1x HDMI 1. 1x VGA. VGA cable included. Brightness: 300 nit. The Acer EB321HQ Awi 31.5 LCD with LED-backlit display combines stylish functionality with amazing 1920 by 1080 resolution, allowing you to enjoy high-definition entertainment in the comfort of your home. Incredible 100 million to 1 contrast ratio and rapid 4 milliseconds response time highlight the advanced technology, but this display is as well. The EB321HQ Awi LCD also features HDMI VGA ports and a Kensington lock slot to protect your investment. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my needs. I use my computer for CAD work, so I needed a bigger monitor. This monitor is what I needed. Maybe too big, my eyes took some time to adjust, but I would see it would be difficult to go back to anything smaller than this or 28 in. The quality fits great for what I need. I think the only thing that I noticed is that video playback quality is okay. Not the best, but it does the job.